how to change vibration on Android. So now go ahead and head over to the Settings application. Then find the Sounds and Vibration option. Scroll down and you will see these options: Call Vibration, Notification Vibration, System Vibration, and Vibration Intensity. So you can change the vibration when you receive calls or notifications by tapping these options. So if you want to change call vibration, just tap that option and then you can select from any of the options available. The same goes to the notification vibration. As for the system vibration, you can change the vibration intensity of your device by sliding down this button. Also, you can disable or enable vibration from any of these feedbacks by tapping the toggle button beside it. As for the vibration intensity, you can change the vibration intensity of your system by sliding this button. And so that is how you change vibration on Android. Thank you and have a great day.